All right, guys, I want to give you guys a little bit of information on a problem that I was having on my 1999 Toyota Tacoma. The door latch on my driver's side wasn't engaging, wasn't locking when I closed the door. Even when I manually try to pinch the teeth closed, they wouldn't lock. They would spring back open. So I knew I had to do something with the latch. So went ahead and took the latch off, and I started messing with it, trying to figure out what the cause of the problem was. And I found out that this pin right here, the one that I'm circling, usually has tension on it, pushing it up against this lever on top. And that lever is what pushes that pin down when you lift the handle to open the door. Well, in my case, the pin was already pushed down, so it was like the door was already open. So what I had to do was that I put a little bit of rubber band, I folded it over a little bit, over on top, over itself, and I wedged it in between the space right there to help create some tension on that pin. And that seemed to do the trick. Now my door is closing, and I'm able to drive the car while I wait for my part to come. So if this helps you guys out, go ahead and drop a like, and have a great day.